Ellie, I'm here.
Nawala ka na sa live.
You did. Can you give me my ball? That's funny. I mean, that's funny. What about funny or fun? I don't know.
Ellie, say hi. Ellie, say hi. Hi, Sabina. Kami.
Even the parents, first time.
First time.
Unfortunately, due to bad weather, we cannot conduct our outdoor activities. Okay, that is protocol.
Rescue Village po sa buong Pilipinas. Sa totoo lang po, nagpapasalamat at natutuwa po ngayon si Mayor na nakikita po ang lahat ng students ng St. Thomas More, ang mga Morians po, at ang lahat ng isa sana yun sa ma-enjoy ng mga bata. Yun po, mag-ingat po ang lahat at magandang umaga po.
Okay, take one. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Mayor Strike P. Revilla. Dahil sa Bacoor, tulong ka dito. Wala nang pose. Dire-diretso na.
Okay, last take. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Okay.
Ellie, you happy? Are you happy?
Pwede rin po dito sa gilid. What do you want me to use as a medium of instruction? English, Tagalog, or Taglish?
English.
Okay, I'll try my best to deliver it. By the way, I am Fire Officer 2, Domino Jose C. Beosano, your ambulance nurse here in Molino Fire Substation or in Strike Fire and Rescue PH. Okay? Who among you wants to be a nurse someday?
Me.
Nurse. Okay, who wants to be a firefighter someday? For everyone. For our parents or guardians, meron po ba tayong any healthcare allied professionals such as doctors, nurse, radtech, medtech, PTO, TRT? Meron po? Wala po? Meron. Si Sige po. Ayan. Okay, here in
Sophia.
this station, you will learn how to do CPR or cardiopulmonary resuscitation or chest compression. Okay, may I ask, who among you have any idea about CPR or chest compression? Ha? Everyone, mamaya, niload tayo ha. Mamaya, hindi ba kayo? Okay, you kneel. Okay, may anak ko. Okay?
I don't have any food.
You don't have any food? You don't need food yet. Later na, after 30 minutes. Okay? Next is, you check for the consciousness of the victim by doing gentle tap to his or her shoulder. Just like this. Hey, hey, are you okay? Hey, hey, alright. Or, you want in Tagalog version. Kuya, kuya, okay ka lang. Kuya, kuya, okay ka lang.
Kala namin, sir, uy, boy ka pa.
Louder. 1, 2, 3. Mouth and nose. Okay? Pag walang breathing din, next is you start CPR. Okay? What is CPR naman? You do chest compressions. Okay? O, for the kids. Okay, hands interlock and fingers interlace. Okay, just like this. Ayun na, nakalikot na ko na. Hindi, not like this, not like this. This one, ganito lang. Ayan, pakiguide po sila mga mama and sirs. Okay, para madali tayo mamaya. Okay, next is place your hands on the center of the patient's chest. Saan natin nalagay? Sa gitna ng ribs niya. Okay, or upper trunks niya. Okay? Hindi sa chan, ha? Not in the tummy. Okay? Just here. Next, you do chest compression with the rhythm of, do you know Baby Shark?
Yes.
You know Baby Shark? Okay. Can you sing Baby Shark for me? Okay, oh. In my count, ha? 1, 2, 3, go! Up! Teka lang, ha? I'm already 37 years old, yet I know Baby Shark. I even go to the mall show. Okay, a little bit faster, okay?
Faster, Baby Shark, faster.
1, 2, 3, go! Wala kasing jacket tong isa. Open jacket, open jacket. No, not your jacket. Okay, open the jacket of the victim. Ayan. Sige po, you kneel anak ko. Napapagod ka niyan. You kneel.
Kneel.
Kneel, luhod ka ikaw.
Luhod.
Ikaw. Opo.
Yan.
You kneel, okay? Then, open jacket. Expose the chest area. Ayan, buksan nyo lang. Bukas mo. Sige anak, kaya mo yan. Okay, hands interlock, fingers interlace. And then, okay din anak, okay din. Huwag mo nang iisa ganito.
Baby Shark, Baby Shark,
And then place it on the center of the chest. Okay? And then we do Baby Shark in 3, 2, 1, go.
Faster, faster, Ellie, press. Ellie, press it down. Press it down. Ellie, press. Ellie, faster. Faster. Yeah. Faster, faster. Ellie, faster.
Suddenly, gumalaw siya bigla. What will you do next?
Tagilid, Ellie. Ellie.
Tagilid mo na. Yan! Very good.
Hindi naintindihan.
Okay, good job guys. Oh.
Yay!
Palakpak na kayo. Okay, next is, I need 3 boys ulit.
Good job, Ellie!
Sit on the ground or flat surface. Next is we can do your two finger method. Just like this. Okay? Same lang rin po nung rhythm niya. May rhythm siya. Or, pagod kayo. Pagod kayo. O, medyo maarte, ganyan. Diba? Oo, kasi sayang yung sayang yung gel polish niya. Okay? Napagod ulit. Napagod. We can do your 2 thumb and circling technique. Okay? 2 thumbs. Yung thumbs naman natin yung gagamitin. Okay? Any of the 3 is okay. Wala pong problema doon. Pero, walang gagawa ng ganito ha. Kawawa ang pasyente mo. Okay po? Fingers only. This fire helmet and bumper coat and trouser pants. Also alongside with fire boots. So question kids and parents, ordinary fan. This is a smoke extractor. So we have here smoke
I want to wear
extractor
it
in
now.
our fire truck. Why do you think we have? Bakit kaya meron kaming smoke extractor? Okay. To eliminate smoke. Because the most common happen during fire incidents, ang mga victims ay hindi namamatay sa sunog. Saan sila namamatay?
Smoke.
Smoke, sa suffocation. Kaya nga, during fire, kapag merong insidente ng sunog, hindi natin fire gun, fire nozzle. So, this is what we call fire nozzle. This fire hose is 1.5 diameter of hose. And nozzle, it can dispose 125 gallons per minute. This size of fire hose. Our
Si hotline ng Bacoor. 161 pwede. Yung 911 po national, pero pwede pa rin natin gamitin. Pag nakakita tayo ng emergency hotline, usually nakadikit sa pared. Anong ginagawa po natin? Picture. Sinisave natin through. Ngayon, nagkaroon ng emergency. Saan tayo mag-scroll?
Gallery.
Gallery. Eh, tagtad na ng pictures yun. Di ba? So, dapat, kung meron tayong gusto isip, direct ka na sa 111. City Fire Station, good morning. Good morning, sir. What is your emergency? Ano pong emergency? Okay, so, ano pong exact address? Ano po yung address? Sinong turn na? Yellow bench, yellow bench. Third na yellow bench.
those who are done, take your seat.
Ellie, you sit down sa yellow bench.
Yellow bench, girls.
Ellie! Sabi ni Kuya, yellow bench. Sit down sa yellow bench, yung mga done na.
Kung hindi ka kasya dito. Opo. Ano na may boto? Earthquake, yan, okay. Okay. Papasok naman tayo sa sunog. Anong gagawin? Ganyan pa.
Earthquake, Ellie!
Good. Good. Roller. Roll. Okay, tapos, nasunog yung damit. Anong gagawin?
Roll.
Wait lang. Wait. Okay, nasunog yung damit. Ang gagawin? Stop, drop, and roll.
One by one.
One by one.
One by one. Crawl, Ellie.
Roll.
Roll. Roll pala, roll.
1, 2 lang. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yan. Then stand up. 1, 2. Stand up. 1, 2. Roll. 1, 2. Stand up. Then go to the fire exit. Fire exit. Roll muna first. Roll.
Tumakbo na lang eh, wala nang roll.
Then, fire exit. Push, pass. Evacuation area. Good.
Evacuation area, dito.
Evacuation area dito. Yan. So, sana lang. Yan. Dito lang. Yan. South.
Roll, Ellie, roll. Fire exit. Nakalak naman. Sir, nakalak.
Okay, sino po yung pinaka-bunso? Pinaka-bunso.
Andun si Ellie, oh. Andun si Sophia.
Nursery. Okay, nursery first.
Nursery daw, nursery.
Nursery.
Andun si Ellie. Si Sophia, andun, oh.
Nursery po muna. Okay. All of nursery.
Picture.
Okay.